Thinking about trying the blood vitals glucose monitor. It promises a painless, easy, and accurate way to monitor your blood sugar, but does it really deliver, or is it just another overhyped gadget? With disclaimer before we begin, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Blood Vitals claim to be a smart and invasive glucose monitor designed for people who want a simple and quick way to track their sugar levels without finger pricks. Sounds awesome, right? Well, their product page looks convincing and polished, and they throw around of medical sounding terms. But when we checked Trustpilot, the site had only one review and a rating of 3.7 stars. That's not a lot to go on. There's also some skepticism online about how truly non invasive the device is and whether the tech behind it is medically reliable. And while there are a few users saying it works decently for tracking general trends, others say the readings are inconsistent or inaccurate. So, is blood vitals a scam? Not necessarily, but it does feel a little shaky. With barely any verified reviews and questionable performance, it's tough to fully recommend. If you're serious about monitoring your glucose, it might be better to stick with FDA approved options or ask your doctor for advice. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.